Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Okay, first of all I download this gate release guide assets, but we have this problem. When I click play, one is there is a collision in this assets. Okay, how to fix this problem? To fix this problem, okay, first of all you have to select this assets, edit fearless gate. After that, we have to search for collision on, or you can get it from this. Okay, search for collision. In the collision presence, we have block all, and this one collision complexity. Use complex collision as simple. After that, click save and let's test it out. Okay, the problem is fixed. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this.